Welcome to Designing AI-driven Personalized Learning Environments course. In this video, we'll talk about the course structure for next 11 weeks. In this course, we'll talk about personalized adaptive learning environment architecture, that are the 4 modules, and we go in detail about these 4 modules: domain-based modules, pedagogy modules, and learner-based modules. We'll touch upon some of the systems like cognitive tutors, the other systems where the Bayesian knowledge tracing is used in cognitive tutor, constraint-based learning models. We'll talk about those in this course. And we also see some of the tools to demonstrate. We'll show some of the tools you could use to create these systems on your own. And we thought for first 6 weeks, majorly for first 6 weeks, later it will be more of discussion. We will have a lot of weekly discussions on how AI can be used for designing personalized adaptive learning environments. At the end of the lecture, say a 50 minutes lecture for a week, we'll have a discussion on how the AI can be used in the particular week content, how Gen AI can be used to create a content for domain module, the Gen AI can be used to connect the learner module data. All those details will be discussed in the weekly videos. And we also talk about, can we create a PAL using gross body movements? Can we create PAL using the other features, something facial expressions? We'll talk about those in this whole course. So this course will give you a complete idea of what is personalized adaptive learning environment, or ITS, and how to build one using AI with LLMs, which you could build even now. But what are the things you should give? What are the prompt you can give? How to check it? And what are the main architect of this PAL system? And if I want to implement it and design it, this course will support you. However, in this course, we will not teach anything about developing the whole PAL. Instead, we will help you to design the personalized adaptive environment. If you take this design knowledge and you can go to and develop your own personalized adaptive learning environment using vibe coding, like using LLMs, or you could have somebody, a software engineer, explain them, they could create it for you. So the aim of this course is to talk about theory of the PAL and how to design a new PAL. I hope you will enjoy this course for next 11 weeks, and thanks for listening for this video. Thank you.